Hi, myself Archana K, Assistant Professor in Department of Management Studies in SNS College of Technology. Today I am going to discuss a case study in management and organization behavior. In my previous case study series, I have discussed about a chi-square test, how to do chi-square and how to do hypothesis formulation and how to do with data that are given. Now we are going on to the case. In this case, Streamline Logistics is a medium-sized transportation and logistics company that specializes in providing supply chain solutions for various industries. The company had been facing challenges in managing its operation efficiently due to rapid growth and increasing client demands. To address these issues, the management decided to focus on enhancing their planning and organizing process. Okay. So the main problem they are facing is efficiency in planning and organizing. And as we know, planning is most important thing when we are doing a process. Planning, without proper plan, we cannot execute anything, and we cannot success in our business or whatever it may be. Then organizing, after planning, it should be in a proper way, which it helps us to go on proper way. For example, if we are traveling from Coimbatore to Delhi, we need to organize what are the things we needed, right? Likewise, planning, and we need to plan how we are doing, and we need to organize. Then demand forecasting. So what do you think on demand forecasting? It's most important for proper planning, then proper inventory management, then it helps us to go in a right way. Then strategic goals. What are the strategic goals that are needed? When we are we can take this case study itself. When we are on supply chain logistics, there should be a proper way and proper procedure that are to be followed with the strategies that are needed in it. Then resource allocation. We need to know what are the resources we are using, and we need to know whether these many resources or transportation and transportation, everything comes, machinery, everything comes under resources. Proper resource allocation is must, so that we can easily go on some profits when we are planning on supply chain logistics. Then organization structure. As we know, management is full of organization. With proper organization structure, that is first it comes general manager, then project manager, then comes the employee. Likewise, proper organization structure should be there after planning. Then after planning, we are going to see on organizing. So in organizing, first one is organizational structure. Next one is cross-functional terms. On cross-functional terms, we used to check on our what are the investment that we are doing in it, and whether the functions are proper or it is not in a right way. When it is not properly organized, what are the things we will do, and then we will how organizing cross-functional or is a part of organizing. Then comes development and training. So in only if skilled and developed employee only can do a proper organizing, right? Like only with a proper planning and development, with a proper training, we can only then know whether this part can be done by this person, or proper way of going can be taken place, etc. Then these are the outcomes. When we plan and organize, we know the what are the gains we are, maybe in inventory we can gain, maybe in transportation we can gain, maybe in our orders, everything can be planned and organized, right? When we are taking a big order, we can do our logistics in right way, so that it helps us to do more various process, and proper customer satisfaction should be there. Only with the customer, when the customer is satisfied with our planning and organizing part, they will give us the order, right? Then resource utilization, we should not waste our resources. We should always do a proper resource utilization. Without proper utilization, resource cannot be allocated. So collaboration, what are the different ways we can collaborate with other companies, etc. Then we need to know whether it's adaptable or not. Likewise, we have to see everything that are needed for it. So in this case study, we have seen on planning and organizing, and we have seen the outcome. Thank you.